My name is Johan Dumartier. This video is about demonstrating the particle-wave duality with multiple double slits. If you are not familiar with the double slit experiment, then you better watch a video about that first. In the experiment, a beam of photons is sent to a double slit. And at some distance, there's a detector screen to observe where the photons land. You can do this experiment with photons, but you can also do it with electrons. It has been done with atoms, even molecules. In this video, I will do the explanation with photons. So, the photon source shines the photons on the double slit, and you see what happens on the screen, and you will detect an interference pattern. If the experiment is done multiple times with single photons, the outcome on the screen is the same, that interference pattern. And for simplicity, for this explanation, I will continue the explanation based on shining single photons multiple times. If we install a detector at one of these double slits, and we would select the photons that go here through the lower slit and see what happens on the screen, then we do not have that interference pattern anymore. We have something which seems like a spot, and many people say the wave function has collapsed and the photon behaves like a particle. However, the photon is still has that particle-wave duality. It's strange that the observation at the double slit where the particle went through is changing this pattern, but quantum physics is weird. But the photon still has a particle-wave duality, that's for sure, and we can demonstrate it by adding a second double slit after the first one. And if we observe those photons that we send through the lower, that pass through the lower slit, when we observe it by this detector, we would expect that blurry blob. But due to the second double slit, the interference pattern will appear again. That proves that this particle-wave duality is maintained. It is not collapsed, gone away, disappeared. It's always there. If you really want to have fun, you can do this experiment with multiple double slits. Like after the second slit, we can add a third one, and maybe on the third one, we put again a detector. So, if we would only have the first double slit with the detector, we might have a blurry blob. After the second one, we see the interference pattern. If we install the third one and we observe the particles that go through this lower slit, we will observe again such a blurry blob. Well, this experiment, I think it's the first in its kind, and it clearly demonstrates that the photons, they keep their particle wave behavior. And as we said, you can also do it with electrons, etc. Did I do the experiment? No, I do not have the material, and I do not want to buy the material and spend any money for something that is so obvious. However, if you do the experiment, I wish you good luck and have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, well, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and I thank you for watching. Bye.